Hey guys, JD here. So there is a virus going around right now. It's really bad, and it's called overtrading, and it struck me too. It struck me too, and so I'm pretty disappointed today. I definitely overtraded today. Had a terrible trading day, but I'm also on a losing streak. I have been losing since Saturday. And when you go on a losing streak, there's always somebody to blame. I could blame my kids, I could blame my wife, I could blame the indicators, I could blame price action, I could blame. There's always plenty of things to blame. I could just blame the market. I could blame the broker who was cheating me, whatever. It's always somebody to blame. But many times in trading, it comes down to you. It comes down to you, it comes down to your decision making, and it comes down to discipline. I just said it a couple videos ago. Freedom is on the other side of discipline. And I'm gonna show you right here in this video today why that's so true. And hey, that's more than a motto, that's more than a saying. That's something that we gotta I may paint it down here in my studio, because that's where we are. We have all the pieces, but discipline, because of lack of discipline, we go through drops like today. So let's take a look at this. First of all, let's look at our trading plan, okay? Because that'll tell us how far off base we were. So let's start with that. When you're going through a losing streak or whatever, let's look at the plan first. All right. So now if we go to my plan, what was the trading plan that I just gave everybody? We're gonna risk 1 to 2% per trade. All right. We're gonna have frequency, daily trades, 2. Let's stop right there. Let's go back to since Saturday. So we're supposed to take 2 trades a day. Saturday, that's 4 days. That means I should only have a total of 8 trades sitting right here. I should have a total. Let's go back. Oops, sorry. Where's my picture? Here. Nope, wrong picture though. It's done switch my pictures. I didn't know I could do that. Sorry guys, y'all gotta see some old pictures of me. All right, so I'm supposed to only have 8 trades, period, total. How many I got? 19. Okay, so right out the gate, we know trade frequency. I broke the trade frequency plan. My plan was 2 trades, because we're gonna take the first one. If you win the first one, you get a second one. If you lose the first one, you won't even get a second one. So the total should be 8. But it could have been fewer than that if I lost the first trade, right? So there's no way, if I followed the plan, that I should be seeing 19 trades here. So I doubled up. And many times you think, yeah, but you doubled up your chances to win. I doubled up my chances to lose too. I didn't follow the plan. So it just doesn't matter. I didn't follow the plan. I should have 8 trades total here if I follow my plan. I got 19. Complete overtrading. All right, let's go back again. Yep, first trade, second trade. Now, what type? Higher, low, lower, high? I did okay with that, but nope. What I did was Saturday. It all started Saturday. I switched up my plan to where I was kind of gonna bounce back and forth between 5 minutes and 3 minute setup. If I won a 5-minute setup, then I was gonna look for the 3-minute setup. I haven't pulled that off yet, although I've seen it work on trades that I didn't take, but I haven't pulled it off. But we said that if we followed all of this for a 30-day example, your winning day 90, losing day 30, I only needed 12 winning days. And I was well on my way. Going into Saturday, I had 1, 2, 4. I had 4 winning days. So, it was a little bit behind, but we still got 11 days to go. And that was Saturday, when we still had 15 days to go. We still have 15 days to go, and I needed 9 more wins. 9 more wins is where we were at. We were at a good spot, and then I started making changes in the middle of the month. So that's on me. So there you go. I made changes in the middle of the month. I obviously was over trading because I took more than, we should only have 8 trades, and I got 19. So that's on me. That's on me. That's not on the market. That's not on anybody else. This is all on me not following my own plan. You know, not being disciplined. That's all on me. Let's go back to this again. 19 trades. And unfortunately, 26%. I mean, I haven't seen a percentage this low in a long time. But let's look at how quick a day can go bad. So, because I was actually in decent shape today, and then I just let it completely get out of control. Today, I let it completely get out of control. I'll just tell you, Saturday, I was down 3. Sunday, I went down, came back, only went down -1. Monday, -1. Today should have just been a -1. I mean, I've been in a lot better shape. A lot better shape, but nope. Today was a -4 day. That's why I'm depressed. So today I went down -4. It was my worst trading day of the month. Late in the month, it was a complete breakdown of discipline. And let's see how it happened. We got blow by blow today. All right. So, hold on. I got to make this smaller. Let's see. Gotta make it smaller so you can see it. But you will be able to see from here. Okay. So I was watching this Audi Cat. We had a trend down, 2-leg trend break, 1, 2 legs down, 3 legs down, new low. Okay. This is when I started watching. You know, I'm gonna play it just like how it happened. So I first saw this. I skipped this entry because it was too much stem up here, which was the right call. I would have been trapped. I would have lost. Okay, good trading so far. I kept watching. We came down again. I was still watching. All right, then we got to look at the strong push up. So now I'm thinking, all right, I got my trend down, trend break, 2 legs back. This cycle is complete. Now we should be reversing to come test this high, this high, this high, this high. That's all the things I'm thinking. Okay, then we get boom right here. Got the low, push up, higher low, beautiful signal candle right here. I take this trade. This is the first trade of the day. It fits my trade criteria. The setup is almost perfect. I take it. Bam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good win right out the gate. Start of a good day. We got a win under our belt. Won the first one. Cool. Now I'm preparing for the double up. So what I wanted to do was take a 5-minute setup like this with which won, and then I wanted another touch off the EMA, which would switch me to my 3-minute setups, because most of my 3-minute setups are off of the EMA. So like if I had got a second entry long off the EMA or just a pullback higher low off the EMA, I would have took it at 3 minutes. So that's what I was planning to do to get my bingo. But then on the comeback, it just broke down and kept going. So what I want to say to everybody is this. You know, when the prices don't move the way you expect it, abort. Okay, abort. So once prices broke down here and didn't reverse like I thought it should, start coming back up, I should have been done with this pair. And went and found another trend down, trend break, retest, push up, and just found this same setup again on a different pair. That's what I should have done. I didn't. I kept watching. Pushed up, came back. Look at this push up. Still warning shot, warning shot, warning shot. Don't go long. I didn't here. All right. Now we're pushing. But then what happens? We get back to here, all right? So we broke, and I'm thinking, hey, we broke lower again, but this was barely a new low. You know, we're really moving sideways. Look at all the sideways action. But then it pushed up, came back. I'm thinking another push up, pull back. I'm thinking low, push up, higher low again. But this time we didn't touch off the EMA, and also we already had this set up and it didn't work. I mean, it worked, but prices didn't continue up in the reversal pattern as we would expect. So this is what I call this is option 1. This trade is option 2. And let's see what happens. So let me just go big now. So I want to make sure everybody can see this. Still working there. MS Paint, I guess. Okay. All right, yeah, it's bigger now. So this was the good win. Then I took this candle. Not a horrible setup, but this is option 2. This is an option 1 setup. This is an option 2 setup. Just don't take option 2s or option 3s. Stick to option 1. That's your best chance of winning. So then I take this one on an option 2. Thinking I'm good here. Candle from hell here. Boom, it's over. It's a wrap. When I saw this candle, I knew like, I'm trapped. I'm trapped. It's a wrap. So this was the double up, unfortunately. Unfortunately, I doubled up right here. Thought I was good, and bam, that's a heartbreaker. And this is why I believe I've been over trading. For whatever reason, and I hope this isn't happening to anybody else, but it's been happening to me. If I get to the double up and lose it, it's been hard for me to walk away. It has. That double up loss has been causing me to overtrade. So at least I do know what my trigger is. My trigger is losing this double up trade. When I lose the first trade, I'm fine. I've noticed that when I look back over my calendar, days where I lost the first trade, I just walked away and let it be. But for some reason, when I lose that second trade, I'm itching. Itching to trade again. So I lost the double up here. Then I thought it is 1 pullback, 2 pullback, hey, 3 legs down. Now I know we got a new low in place, right? Then look at this strong push up, pull back. So now we got a low, push up, higher low. So the pattern is there again. Pattern is there again. All right, I'm about to help somebody today. This is why we're not pattern traders. The pattern is here. This is a low, push up, higher low. That pattern is money. Look at the strong strength, pull back. Look at the signal candle, broke lower, trapped everybody, closed on its top. When I say that this pattern is perfect to go long, this pattern is perfect to go long. But where is it happening? The context, right? We talk about this all the time. The pattern is perfect, but the context is terrible. You see, the pattern is perfect, but we're ranging. Look at the EMA. We're ranging. Don't take no trades in here unless it's off the bottom or the tops. So my entry here was terrible, even though the pattern, man, it doesn't get any prettier. It really doesn't. It doesn't get any prettier. But this is why we're not pattern traders. A trade consists of context and the setup. The setup is beautiful. The context is terrible. I take it anyway. Boom. I see myself gonna lose again. Something overwhelms me to hit the double up button. Don't ask me why, people. I hit the double up button down here trying to just get a wash out of this thing because the day was so terrible. And I lost. So that's how you compound a losing day. You see, I was supposed to stop right here. I lost the double up right here. This was the end of the day. And then I compound a losing day by adding 2 more losses. Okay. And to make matters worse, people, I lost all control and switched to the cash switch, took another trade and lost. Okay. So that's how I end up having a -4 day today. See how quick it happens? We was up on the day and I turned this day into a -4 because I lost 2 here. Remember, I lost 2 here, not 1. Might also put another arrow there. Yeah, right here was, I went twice. All right, so we won, lost twice. I'm only supposed to be down 1. Nope, but what I do, compound it. Lose again, and then like I said, I went to Swiss and lost again. So that's, take that one there. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how you get a -4 day where you're only supposed to have a -1 day. So if I just stop right here, like I'm supposed to, we're in much better shape. I am not down 2,200 on the month. I'm down more like 1,200, 1,400, which would be a lot better. Actually, I'll be down. I'll be down more like 1,400, you know, and 2 winning days could bring me back. So it's just ridiculous to overtrade. It's just ridiculous. It doesn't it doesn't pay. You always feel like you're gonna come back. You always feel like the next trade is gonna win. But the safest thing you can do is follow a trading plan to the T and let the chips fall where they may. So I hope this video really helped somebody. It was a horrible day for me. I hope that we can take this day and all learn from it. Me, you, whoever else you share this video with, because this overtrading virus is out. It's so crazy because everybody's been mentioning overtrading lately, and I've been like, yeah, you just need discipline. Yeah, you just need discipline. You know, I'm just running around like, yeah, you just need discipline. But as I've told you guys, you know, discipline is something that you build daily. You continue to grow. It's not just like, well, one day you will have it, you know, but you have to grow it to that point to where you just like, I refuse to take another trade. That's not the plan. You know, I'm trying to get there. I thought I was there. I'm not. So that's why you have to keep doing things to increase your discipline. You know, I'll tell you the saddest part about it. I'll tell you the saddest part about today. My wife came down. I said, yeah, I'm on a losing streak. She looked at my board and it was -1, -1, -1. I had hung it up for the day. I had. And then I saw a setup and I just had to take it. Had to take it, and it was that double up. it was this, you know, they got me, you know. Let's say they tricked me. Even let's just say I got tricked today. Maybe I feel better if I got tricked. Where's the chart? I was done. I had wrote the 1 on the board and everything, and I told myself like, hey, you're on a losing streak, but just survive it. You know, you just gotta survive it. You losing only 1 like you're supposed to. That's the plan. I actually told myself that. I told myself that before I took this trade. But again, what got me here was the pattern. The setup was perfect, but it's in the wrong context. And this set off the rest of my horrible day. This loss I shouldn't have had. This loss. This is an overtrading loss. Overtrading loss. The castles I took. Overtrading loss. So I had 3 overtrading losses that shouldn't be on the books. They just should not be on the books. Think about that. 3 of them that should not be on the books. And I had another overtrading day. I've had 2 overtrading days this month. 3. So this is 3. I've had 3 days this month where I completely broke the rules and lost more than I was supposed to. And those 3 days put me in a hole. Matter of fact, if I just do the math, on those 3 days, I lost 3 one day, 3 another day, 4 today. That's 10 minus 3 that should have been. I'm over 7. I'm 7 days over trading right now. Not 7 days, excuse me. 7 losses over trading. So if I take those 7 losses that I should not have had, period. Shouldn't have had them, period. Times what I normally trade, 1750. So I got 1750 worth of trades I shouldn't have took. And just Friday, I was just up 400 on the month. No, Saturday. The first trade, because I won my first trade Saturday. And I was up 400 on the month Saturday. So this losing streak, I've lost that much in just the 4 days. And that's just from over trading. Now, it appears that I was gonna have a normal losing streak, but I added on to it. I mean, Saturday I should have lost 1. I took 3. You know, then I had the -1 Sunday, -1 Monday, then the -4 today. But that's a span of, you know, that's -9 when it should have only been -4. I can't survive that way. Nobody can survive that way. That's why we have a trading plan. And that's why it's vital to follow it. Okay, so again, I hope this helps somebody. You know, I know now that second trade is my trigger to possibly overtrade. So guess what I'm gonna do for the rest of the month? I got 11 days, guys. I got 11 days. All I want to see on the board is a 1, a -1, or a +3. That's all I want to see on my board. I got 2s on my board. I got -3s on my board. I got -2s on my board. I ain't supposed to have none of that. I'm supposed to have a -1 or a +3. It ain't supposed to be nothing else on my board. So, with that being said, we got 11 days. We got 11 days to see what this strategy is really made of now. We actually could still be profitable this month. I'm not, hey, I ain't even shooting for that. To be honest with you, at this point, I am shooting to be disciplined the next 11 days. Nothing else matters. I'm not gonna worry about the profit. I ain't gonna worry about nothing else matters, because at this point it's coming down to discipline. So ain't nothing else to talk about, right? For the next 11 days, I need to see a -1 or a +3 on the board. That's it. And I'm gonna live with the results, and we'll see what the results are in 11 days. Okay. So I hope this really helps somebody, because it's rough out here. And this is a self-inflicted losing streak I'm on. Self-inflicted losing streak. It's tough. It sucks, but it is so self-inflicted. It is so self-inflicted. Beautiful win. The double up had a shot, but this was an option 2 trade. Should have skipped it after all this sideways movement, but I tried it. It got me. Unfortunately, this was the one. Here, you take this trade, you win. And just to let you guys know, this thing shot all the way up here. So like my 5-minute, 3-minute did come, but I already threw all this away. So it don't matter. But all right, that's it. That's the lesson for the day. Overtrading is just, man, it's got to be conquered. This is a really long video, so we're not going to do a trade example today. I don't think we really need one. This was the trade example of the day. It was a beauty, but it was short-lived because I gave it back and some. So, all right, I hope this helps, guys. It's actually helped me to talk about it because, I know I'm not the only one. And, talking about it, and, you might as well face it. I might as well face the facts that this was me. Nobody did it to me. The market didn't do it to me. The broker didn't do it to me. The EMA didn't do it to me. Price action didn't do it to me. I did it to myself. And there's a lot of people out there who, you guys know how to trade too. We know how to trade. This is a discipline issue. This is not a trading system issue. This is not a trading strategy issue. This is not a risk management issue. This is discipline. This is nothing but discipline, right? I was supposed to stop right here. How do I take 2 more trades here? I'm supposed to stop right here. So it's all discipline. This video is getting even longer and longer. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna just sign off here because I don't know how to stop, because like I said, it was a rough day. But I hope this helps you. We got 11 days. We're gonna tighten it up and see what happens in 11 days. All right, stay tuned. It's gonna be juicy. All right, so I'm gonna sign off. My name is JD, and as always, I wish you guys increase on the sun. Bye-bye.